Hello, everyone. Today, what shall we be thinking about? Find out soon. Oh, yes, we are going to do a pancake today. We are going to make a pancake, and we are sneaking in. Rather, I'm going to sneak in apples and carrots. Apple is a fruit, and carrots are veggie. So we see that apples are very good. They are a good source of nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which can help support healthy digestion, brain health, and weight management. There is also evidence that apples can also protect against certain chronic diseases, including cancer, heart diseases, and type 2 diabetes. So it's a good nutrient, a whole lot of nutrients we're adding onto our diet that way. Now the carrot is also very good and healthy, filled with beta carotene, their color for vitamin A, provitamin for vitamin A, good for skin and our eyesight. Also contain a lot of fibers that can help with our bowel health. And don't forget, both this fruit and the vegetable, they also form a good food for our intestinal flora. They are prebiotics. So I'm adding hot water to blend them with, because this is going to help me later to get the yeast in my flour to set. Put them into action. So put all and blend and puree them. We see that the regular pancake is just flour, egg, add milk, sugar to taste, and thereabout. But here we are having an apple. We are having a pancake that is balanced with the apple and carrot that we are adding into it. So incorporating those into the food, into the pancake, is a good way for those that won't eat the apple or even the carrot on their own as vegetables or as a fruit. So this way, they can just take a slice of the pancake, slice by slice, and before you know, they finish it, and without them knowing that those fruit and the veggie is in it. So that is a cinnamon. I'm going to add some cinnamon to spice it, to season it, and cinnamon is a carminative, very good for our digestive health, and also apart from that, it's good for regulating blood sugar. So it will help me even when I eat that, or anyone that is eating it, so that not much of the carb will be absorbed. The cinnamon will help to regulate the amount of the sugar there. Now you add all this, add salt as well to taste with the sugar. If you have honey, you can use that. And I have to apologize here. Tech the video didn't pick where I added the flour. I'm really sorry. I added the flour to make the batter, but the video didn't pick that up. So for making pancake, you need the flour, either wholemeal or the other plain one, or even self-raising. That will make it easier. So I'm adding the eggs now. We all know eggs are proteinous, also contain vitamin A. So at the end, when you do this, when we finish making this pancake, you see that it's a balanced meal you are having. So continue to whisk everything in until the batter is all formed. Now continue to whisk and whisk until all the lumps are out. You have a smooth consistency. Then test it if all the ingredients you have added or seasoning have balanced up, and look at it. Wow. See the color. The carrot has given it a bit of color, golden, light gold into it. Now it's time to cook them up, fry them up if that's what you want to do, or bake them. You can bake them as well, but I'm using the fry pan to fry them. So I'm using two fry pan to make it quick, because I'll be there all day for just using one fry pan. So make sure that you cook in a low heat so that they don't get burnt. And before you pour your batter in, look at them. Oh my God. Before you pour your batter in, ensure that you use oil on the bottom of the pan so that it will have a non-stick effect for you to be able to turn the pancake and flip them over. Look at it. Wow. Oh my God, you love this. Please try to make one at home and let me know how you get on with it. If you enjoy it, look at it. That is ready now. Oh my God, golden color. Good orange color. That's good. Now is the best time now. The time we'll have to relax and enjoy our pancake. So you can hold it in your hand, or you cut with your cutleries and take a bite at a time. Sit down, relax, and enjoy what you have prepared. Nice. Very yummy. You know what you are eating. Good. Now, I'm going to take my tea, my herbal tea, Slim Board. And when you hear Slim Board, you think it's only for those that want to reduce their weight, manage weight. No, it has a heart health effect, even our brain. It helps reduce high blood cholesterol, the bad one. And drinking it regularly makes help you with your weight as well, keep your heart healthy and your brain healthy. It helps your bone health as well, and it's good that you have it. And when you are drinking this tea, those things that it can heal, those disease conditions that you can use this tea to manage, drinking them will help you to prevent them from coming to you. Now, enjoy your pancake, and I see you in the next video.